What's up? It's Hector with Mesa TV Mounting in Mesa, Arizona. I'm going to show you how we hid the wires on this TV. We also put some backlighting on the TV, put 7.1 digital surround in the ceilings and in front of the TV. So, here we go. First thing we're going to do is get the wires out of the way, make sure we're not going to hit any studs while we're working. I think I did find a stud here though, so we're going to go ahead and pass the wires through and hide them. I love my tools. Here's my 16-inch bit extender. So I'm going to go ahead and drill a hole through that stud so we can pass the cable wires through. Punch that through. This TV was already mounted when we arrived. We're just going to hide the wires on it and put the audio in the ceiling. Now we're going to go ahead and cut the box for the wires to pass through and put the outlet in right behind the TV so we don't see those wires hanging down anymore. We're also going to use this box to pass the wires through for the HDMI, the digital video, the digital audio, and all those cables are going to go to the entertainment console down there at the bottom of the wall. So just going to use a simple handsaw, go ahead and cut it, punch it out. I've been doing this work for 28 years. I love doing this work. My favorite part of the work is looking at the product of my workmanship at the end of the job and seeing a smile on the customer's face. So you see here, we used a fish tape to get all those wires pulled through, pulling them up. It's my son down there giving me a hand. Good kid. He's always very helpful. So getting those wires pulled through, I've already wired into the outlet at the bottom of the wall and fished the wires up. So now we got those wires pulled through. We're going to go ahead and button everything up. Got the outlet installed behind the TV. Wires are hidden now. Wired everything up to the TV. Buttoned everything up at the bottom of the wall. Picked up my mess. Now I'm going to work on installing this light strip on the back of the TV. The light strips we're installing on the back of the TV are reactive lighting that actually respond to the picture on the TV, and they project a little bit of extra color on the wall to give you that theater feeling. That's the optical sensor at the top of the TV. That's an artificial intelligence sensor that looks at the TV while there's a picture on the TV, and then it projects the lighting on the back of the wall. There we go. Turned it on, tested it out. It works. So now I'm going to go ahead and get the tilt on the TV adjusted. When I pushed it back, I felt like the TV had a little bit too much tilt on it. So we're going to go ahead and adjust that tilt a little bit so that when you're sitting on the couch, the TV you're looking straight on at the TV, so there's no weird angle on the TV that's reflecting light back into your eyes. So I'm just going to spend a couple more seconds getting this optical sensor just right on the top of the TV. So here you go. Here's the finished product. As you can see, the backlight adapts to the picture on the TV. This is a 75-inch LCD TV. We also put the speakers in the ceilings. I apologize, I didn't get the recording for that, but I put 5 speakers in the ceiling here for in addition to the 2 tower speakers that are on the ground. That's Dolby 7.1 surround. It sounds phenomenal. It shakes the house. It's super clear when you turn it up. And it's just going to give the full theater experience. Got a gaming system there. Looks like an Xbox hooked up as well. So the gaming experience is going to be legit too. So anyway, my name's Hector. I'm with Mesa TV Mounting in Mesa, Arizona. If you're in Mesa or any of the surrounding cities, just shoot me a text and I'll be happy to give you a quote over the phone. Go ahead and check the bio for links to our website and all our contact information. See you next time.